Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks. Apply a gel-based moisturiser and primer and massage well. Dot the foundation all over your face and blend well. Use setting powder for an attractive matte finish. Use an eyebrow pencil to fill in your brows. Brush them through. Contouring. To accentuate your cheeks, contour just below your cheekbones following your natural bone structure. Hollow your cheeks for this. For your nose, begin from your brows and draw two straight lines down the side of your nose. For your chin, trace the contour below your natural jawline. Blend all the lines using a contour blending brush. Press some extra setting powder into your skin to set the base. Highlight your cheekbones, bridge of your nose and forehead. Bronze your cheeks for a natural flush look. Add loads of mascara. Dab a gold shade in the center of your eyelid and blend well. Use a bubblegum pink shade as a base for your lips. Line it with a dark matte pink shade and merge them both. Take in the same gold shade used on your lids and dab it on your lip for a monochromatic finish. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.